Children are the gifts of God. Let them fly with their thoughts. By this beautiful thought on this auspicious afternoon, I welcome our most honorable HM ma'am, respected teachers, and all lovely students to this special gathering. Dear children, you are God's wonderful gift to human society. It is you who make school a happy home. As we commemorate the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as Children's Day, we teachers take immense pleasure in presenting you a wonderful program to make your day colorful. Let's begin with Gayatri Mantra.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
May I now request our HM ma'am to hoist the national flag.
Salute. Order.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, Divya ma'am will say the flag pledge.
Join your hands and repeat the flag pledge after me. I pledge allegiance to the national flag and to the sovereign, socialist, democratic republic for which it stands.
Thank you, Divya ma'am. Now, Chamundeshwari ma'am will say the national pledge.
Put your right hand forward and repeat the pledge after me. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and its people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Chamundeshwari ma'am.
Good morning, students and teachers. Today's thought brought by Hema Malini. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dream is more powerful than the one with all the facts. I'll repeat my thought. Never give up on what you really want to do. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, Hema Malini ma'am. Now, NCS News is brought to you by Miss Shabina Parveen.
Good morning, everyone. Children are like buds in the garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of nation and citizens of tomorrow. On the occasion of Children's Day, which is celebrated across India to increase the awareness of the right, care and education of the children. Happy Children's Day to all. It's my pleasure to welcome our new HM, Mrs. Sumit Jose. It's my pleasure to welcome our new HM, Mrs. Sumit Jose. Facilitators Mrs. Amrita, PRT, and Sir Shabina, TGT. Warm and happy welcome to all the new members of NCS. Education is most important weapon in everyone's life. So as an extension of NCS, multipurpose hall is getting constructed as an ideal space to address large group or celebration of festival, games and various activities. With this, let's go to NCS Darshan. Garden, entrance, classrooms, video conferencing room, and our new staff room. Online learning or the virtual classes gives wings to the imagination of learner. In this present era, immense opportunities are provided to all the facilitators to explore various IT tools for educating the student and inculcating the discipline with fun-based learning methods. All are born to win, but to be winner, one must plan and prepare. Congratulations to all the winners of grade 10 on achieving 100% result. The greatness of culture can be found in its festival, spreading joy, love, and peace across the religion and various diversity. So here are the amazing picture of various festivals celebrated by NCS family with the great joy, devotion, and creativity. Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Dashera, Teachers Day, Independence Day, and Yoga Day. Posters help learner to focus on certain idea, event, fact, or processes. NCS students have shown their immense talent, creativity, and out-of-the-box thinking by participating in poster making. We are glad to announce the winner. Winners are: first prize goes to Grade 8B Mahisha. Second prize is shared by Gayatri Priyadarshini of 8 7A Shalam Raj. Third prize shared by 8B Abhinav Singh, 7A Kavini. Fancy dress competition. Clothes makes a statement. Costume tells a story. The story depicted by our winners of fancy dress competition are: Grade 1, first prize shared by Ishan and Mehashri. Second prize shared by Pradisha and Roshni. Third prize shared by Jason Justin and Abhinav. Grade 2, first prize goes to Talha and Manjunath. Second prize goes to Jivika. Third prize goes to Ishika Singh. Grade 3, first prize goes to Anuta. Second prize goes to Varsha. Third prize goes to Dhwani and Yashika. Grade 4, first prize goes to Navya. Second prize goes to Mogish. Third prize goes to Evangeline. Grade 5, first prize goes to Jitin. Second prize goes to Shanvi. Third prize goes to Samitra. Congratulations to all the winners and happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sabina ma'am, for updating us with our school's latest development.
I take my immense pleasure to invite Mrs. Meera Gurumurthy to deliver a English speech.
Good morning to everyone. Every child is a different flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. My warm wishes to all my dear children on this special day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, also known as Chacha Nehru, was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. Every citizen is aware of his achievements. He was quite famous among children, so he was called Chacha Nehru. Because of his love for children, the government celebrates his birthday as Children's Day. He was a great leader who loved his country immensely. He was a man of inordinate vision, a great leader, politician, and writer too. Moreover, he always worked around the clock for the betterment of the country and its people. Most noteworthy, he gave the famous slogan Aram Aram Hai, which simply meant rest is not best. Children spread joy and happiness in every season as they are the most beautiful creation of God. They spread fragrance of love wherever they go. To me, children, you are the most precious of blessings, and I cherish every moment that I spend with you. Before I conclude, I would like to mention one famous quote of Chacha Nehru. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. My dear children, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating speech. Now I call upon Mrs. Jacqueline, ma'am, to sing a song titled I Have a Dream, which is filled with positive vibes.
I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me go with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the street. I have a dream, I have a dream, a fantasy to help me through reality, and my destination makes it worth the while. Pushing through the darkness, still another mile. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the street. I have a dream, I'll cross the street. I have a dream. Have a dream, a song to sing, to help me go with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, This song was dedicated to all my dear children on the occasion of Children's Day. Wishing all of you a very, very happy Children's Day.
May I now call upon Mr. Gaurav sir to deliver a Hindi speech on this special occasion.
शुभ मध्याह्न प्रिय छात्रों, मैं सर्वप्रथम आप सभी को बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा। जैसा कि आज हमारा नौसेना विद्यालय परिवार बाल दिवस को मना रहा है, उपर्युक्त संदर्भ को याद रखते हुए मैं आपको पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के जीवन वृत्त से अवगत कराना चाहूँगा। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 को इलाहाबाद जनपद उत्तर प्रदेश प्रांत में हुआ था। इनके पिता का नाम मोतीलाल नेहरू और माँ का नाम स्वरूप रानी था। माननीय दुर्गा स्वरूपा इंदिरा गांधी इनकी सुपुत्री थी। पंडित जी ने कैम्ब्रिज विश्वविद्यालय से ला की उपाधि प्राप्त की। पंडित जी महात्मा गांधी जी के विचारों से, आदर्शों से अतिशय प्रभावित थे। उनकी जीवन शैली से अतिशय प्रभावित थे। दूसरी तरफ उन्हें अपनी मातृभूमि से भी अटूट प्रेम था। भारत माँ को गुलामी की जिंदगी से आज़ाद कराना उनके जीवन का परम लक्ष्य था। महात्मा गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में वे सर्व सुख छोड़ करके आज़ादी की लड़ाई में कूद पड़े। परिणामतः अनेकों बार उन्होंने विविध जेलों की यात्रा सही, अंग्रेज़ों की यातनाएं सही, मुस्कुराते हुए इन सारी परिस्थितियों को उन्होंने झेला। दांडी यात्रा, सत्याग्रह, असहयोग आंदोलन व भारत छोड़ो जैसे प्रसिद्ध आंदोलनों का उन्होंने अहिंसा धर्म अपनाते हुए सफलतम नेतृत्व किया और आज़ादी के कृत संकल्प को साकार किया। आज हम आज़ादी की सांस भी ले रहे हैं। पंडित जी सत्याग्रही होने के साथ साथ एक कुशल प्रशासक भी थे। पंचवर्षीय योजनाओं के तहत उन्होंने भारत की दशा व दिशा को ऊपर ले जाने का न केवल प्रयास किया अपितु पूर्णतः सफल भी रहे। भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जी को 1954 में उनके उत्कृष्ट कार्यों और श्रेष्ठ प्रशासक क्षमताओं के मद्देनज़र भारत रत्न से विभूषित किया गया। पंडित जी बच्चों से बेहद स्नेह किया करते थे। जब किसी बच्चे से वे मिलते तो गुलाब भेंट में जरूर दिया करते थे, क्योंकि गुलाब उनका पसंदीदा फूल भी था। उनका मानना था कि हमें गुलाब की तरह हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहना चाहिए। मुस्कुराते रहने से किसी भी विपत्ति, किसी भी संकट से लड़ने में दोगुनी ताकत मिल जाती है। वे अपने जन्मदिन को बच्चों हेतु समर्पित करना चाहते थे। वे चाहते थे कि उनका जन्म उनके नाम पर नहीं अपितु बच्चों के नाम पर याद किया जाए। यही कारण है कि 14 नवंबर को भारत सरकार ने राष्ट्रीय बाल दिवस के रूप में एक अनूठा पन्ना गढ़ दिया, जो आज हम भी मनाते चले आ रहे हैं। पंडित जी मानते थे कि आज के बालक कल के सशक्त आधार हैं। इसीलिए उन्होंने बच्चों के चरित्र निर्माण, शारीरिक विकास, बौद्धिक विकास और सृजनात्मक विकास में शिक्षा को बल दिया। हम सभी को पंडित जी के सुझाए गए आदर्शों पर सतत चलते रहना चाहिए। यदि ऐसा मैं कहूँ तो अतिशय नहीं होगा। आशा है हम अपने भारत को, पंडित नेहरू जी के सपनों के भारत को साकार करने में अवश्य सफल होंगे। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आप सभी को बाल दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. On this Children's Day, to gift you something, our teachers planned a special dance performance. With full of energy, let's invite them. Wow, excellent. That was really an energetic performance. Thank you, teachers, for showing your love towards our children. May I now call upon Mrs. Shiksha ma'am to deliver a speech in Sanskrit.
सर्वेभ्यो नमो नमः। अद्य अहं शिशुदिवसस्य उपलक्ष्ये स्वविचारं प्रस्तौमि। भारतदेशे प्रतिवर्षं नवम्बर् मासस्य 14तमे दिनाङ्के शिशुदिवसः परिपाल्यते। पण्डित जवाहरलाल नेहरू महोदयस्य जन्मदिवसः शिशुदिवसरूपेण परिचीयते। नेहरू महोदयस्य जन्म उत्तरप्रदेशस्य इलाहाबाद नगरे अभवत्। तस्य पितुः नाम मोतीलाल नेहरू, मातुः नाम च श्रीमती स्वरूपराणी आसीत्। जवाहरलाल उच्चशिक्षार्थम् इंग्लैंड देशं गतवान्। तत्र च विविधशास्त्रे उपाधिं लब्धवान्। ततः स भारतं प्रत्यागच्छन् देशसेवायां मनोनिवेशम् अकरोत्। स महात्मा गान्धिना सह मिलित्वा सत्याग्रहान्दोलनं कृतवान्। स्वाधीन भारतवर्षस्य सः प्रथमः प्रधानमन्त्री च अभवत्। स सर्वत्र चाचा नेहरू नामन्यः प्रसिद्धः आसीत्। बालान् प्रति तस्य मनसि अगाधस्नेहः वर्तत। एतदर्थं नेहरू महोदयस्य जन्मदिवसः शिशुदिवसनामन्यः विख्यातो अभवत्। भारतमातुः सेवायां सदा निरतत्वात् सः भारतरत्नपुरस्कारं लब्धवान्। तस्य डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया पुस्तकं भारतवर्षस्य प्रकृतरूपम् उपस्थापयति। धन्यवादः। सर्वेषां दिनं शुभमस्तु।
Thank you, Shiksha ma'am, for your inspiring words.
Respected Headmistress Ma'am, dear teachers, and all my dear children, good morning to you all. Wish all my dear children a very happy Children's Day. On this occasion, I will sing a song and I dedicate this to all my dear children. செல்ல குழந்தைகளே, துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே, செல்ல குழந்தைகளே, துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே பாடுங்களே கொண்டாடுங்களே ஒரு தோழன் துணைக்கு வந்தான் ஆடுங்களே செல்ல குழந்தைகளே துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே செல்ல குழந்தைகளே துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே பாடுங்களே கொண்டாடுங்களே ஒரு தோழன் துணைக்கு வந்தான் ஆடுங்களே. காற்றும் இவனுக்கு கட்டுப்படும் இவன் செப்படி வித்தைக்காரன் தரை வேண்டாம் என்றான் தலைகீழாய் நின்றான் தொண்டு கிழங்களும் கண்டு பயப்படும் காரியம் கற்று வைத்தான் இவன் பார்த்தால் போதும் கடல் பாலாய் மாறும் இனி நம் வீட்டிலே தினம் தீபாவளி இங்கு நாம் பாடுவோம் புது கீதாஞ்சலி அலை நான்கு விளையாடும் கவி பாடி செல்ல குழந்தைகளே துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே பாடுங்களே கொண்டாடுங்களே ஒரு தோழன் துணைக்கு வந்தார் ஆடுங்களே செல்ல குழந்தைகளே துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே. ஜன்னல் திறந்தொரு மின்னல் நுழைந்தது என்னென்ன விந்தைகளோ இனி ஊஞ்சல்லாடு இது தேவன் வீடு உண்மை நிலவையும் பொம்மை என இவன் கைகளில் வைத்திருப்பான் புதுலீலை மன்னன் இனி எங்கள் அண்ணன் அந்த ஆகாயமே எங்கள் பாயாகுமே இனி நாம் தூங்கவே வெகு நாளாகுமே நம் சொந்தம் என்னாலும் மாறாதே செல்ல குழந்தைகளே துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே செல்ல குழந்தைகளே துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே பாடுங்களே கொண்டாடுங்களே ஒரு தோழன் துணைக்கு வந்தார் ஆடுங்களே செல்ல குழந்தைகளே துள்ளும் வசந்தங்களே.
Thank you, Srividya ma'am, for your melodious performance.
Now, are you ready to have some hilarious fun? Are you ready to watch a skit with full of excitement and drama? Then why delay? Let's welcome a group of teachers to give their supreme performance.
Hey, ma'am, you join me at this. Come, let's start now.
Yes, now, right?
Savita, you're wearing a new dress. Is it your Diwali dress?
So beautiful.
Where did you buy it?
Not Diwali dress. This is my birthday dress. Today is my birthday.
Is it your birthday today? Happy birthday,
Thank you, Shankari. Thank you, Sumati. Thank you, Mary.
Did
Thank you, Rekha.
Did you have a tea?
To whom you are asking, Sumati?
You only.
Oh, she made gulab jamun.
Wow.
Whether you get any sweet?
Yes.
My mother also made many sweets.
Oh, I didn't celebrate Diwali, you know.
You are like crackers? You are like crackers?
So many crackers my father brought, Shankari.
Even I got so much. I started bursting also, you know.
Oh, okay.
Hey, wait, ma'am has joined. Ma'am has joined, I think. I think ma'am has joined. Yes, yes, ma'am has joined. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Yes. Sumati, you are looking very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you see sleeping?
Yeah, it is sleeping.
What?
Ma'am, I don't think that not well.
Okay, not well means don't join in the class. Who is absent today?
And Meera is absent, ma'am.
Why she is often taking leave?
Ma'am, she has got to go, ma'am.
Okay. What did we discuss yesterday, dear?
Yesterday we discussed about plant lesson, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I ask the questions from the plant lesson?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't give any chorus answer. Shankari. Shankari. How many times I'm calling? She is not responding. Now how you are speaking?
Now it is working, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I
tell
the answer? Ma'am, shall I tell the answer, ma'am?
Ma'am, listen, ma'am. I know, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
I also know, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I know answer, ma'am. I know, ma'am.
What is this?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Wait. Good morning. Now only you are joining.
You didn't ask me, ma'am. I will tell the answer, ma'am.
Please wait. Ashwini, now you are joining. What is the sound? Please mute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am. Network issue, ma'am.
Shall I tell the answer, ma'am? Yes, Kavita. Kavita.
Creeper, ma'am. Creeper, ma'am.
Wait, Kavita. Name any 4 type of plants.
Ma'am, climber, ma'am.
Without knowing the answer, you are asking your mom also. What is this, Kavita? Somebody is helping.
Somebody is helping, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Mother's voice, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Herbs, climbers, and creepers, ma'am.
Ma'am, Danville school reopening.
What is this? When we are discussing about yesterday's topic and today's new topic, in between you are asking, you can't wait for your turn.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, time is up, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
The 30 minutes session, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 minutes you are chatting, 10 minutes attendance, and then all giving your reasons. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, friends. Did you prepare for the test? Don't talk.
Sumati, please don't remain.
Yes.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all. Yes. Are you all ready for the session? Ready? Very good. Super. All are very good.
Yes.
Especially Sumati, you are very good. Children, others also try to wear the uniform, okay? Yes. Good, very good. Who is that? What is it now? You're asking washroom here. Okay, fine. Go fast and come. Go fast and come. Yes.
Ma'am, you are looking very pretty today, ma'am.
Thank you, Ashwini.
Okay, now I think we can start the session.
Kavita's birthday.
Yes, I know you will not allow me to start. Yes, Kavita's birthday. Okay, Kavita, happy birthday, Kavita. Okay, children, not now.
Happy birthday, Kavita.
Yes, last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes will be short. Okay. Yes, we'll sing birthday song for Kavita. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Okay, today now we'll start the session. Yesterday I gave one homework, isn't it? To complete the page number 6, 116. I hope you all have done that. I'm going to check it. Please open your camera. Others, yes. Please open the camera and show me your book. Everyone should open the camera now. Yes. Yes. Wait, one by one. Vijay Shri, what is that you are showing me? The blank page?
Ma'am, it is the correct.
Check it. Open your eyes and see. See, come to school. I will show you.
I can see her work is complete.
Mary, what you are showing? Showing the book Ulta? 1 minute. Ashwini?
Sorry, ma'am.
What you are showing?
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
166.
What page number, ma'am?
Number. Yesterday, homework. Today. Asking the
166, ma'am.
Sumati? Clap for Sumati. Sumati, very good, Sumati. You are the good child in my class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you can keep your books down. Keep all your books down. Sit straight. Now I think we will start the session. Yes, before that, please everyone should mute the audio. Yes, please mute the audio. Where is Shankari? Yes. Tell me. Okay, Kavita, please mute the audio. Yes. Who is that calling in between? Jamuna? Throughout the session, you'll be saying good morning to me. We are taking attendance, children. We are taking attendance regularly, okay? Every teacher will know who is attending class, okay? Who is regular and who is irregular, we know. Jamuna, try to attend regularly, okay? I'm sorry. And Shankari, what are you doing? Shankari? Sorry, ma'am. Shankari, what are you doing, children, during the break time? 15 minutes break we are leaving. What you are doing, tell me? Asking for the washroom and one is eating here. I don't know what to do with your children. Saying sorry with this period will end. Sumati, okay, I think yes, where we have left yesterday, we have learned about the shapes, isn't it? We have learned about the 4 basic shapes, isn't it? Okay, Sumati, start now. What is the 4 basic shapes we have learned?
Ma'am, square, rectangle,
Very good.
triangle,
Good.
and parallelogram.
Very good. Very good. Rekha, can you repeat that?
What?
Who is that? Who is that?
Can't hear, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear your mom's voice, but you can't hear me, isn't it? This is what
Sorry,
we'll
ma'am.
do. Yes, during exam, who is going to help you? I don't know.
Sorry, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am.
You got the news, Mary? You got the news? No, that's why. That's why you are sitting like this. Ah, you eat, Kavita. What you are doing? Huh? Yes. Sorry, ma'am. Well, allow me to speak. One by one, disturbance. This class is a big disturbance for me to continue. Okay, soon your school is going to reopen. Okay, please stop all these naughty things. Complete all your notes. Okay? Complete all your notes.
Ma'am, I want to go to temple.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to go to temple.
You go to temple.
May I
Rekha.
miss the class?
You go to temple, God will come and study for you, isn't it? You go to temple only and sit. I am saying to complete your notes.
Sorry,
Understood?
ma'am. Sorry,
No
ma'am.
problem. You go
Sorry.
wherever you want, you enjoy, okay? But see that you are completing all your work. Okay, children? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you are ready for the test.
Okay, ma'am.
Test, isn't it? I said test. I'll be sending the link. Yes, I'll send the link also. Yes, when I say test, Vijayashree will switch off the camera. Huh? Switch on, yes. Switch on the camera and start writing. Kavita, switch on the camera. See? Ma'am will switch off the camera, I know. Ma'am, right? I didn't get the link till now. Very good for you. During test only, network link is not coming, ma'am. During test only, you will get all these network issues, children. When I ask question, network issue. During test, network issue. Very good, very good. Open the camera and write. Yes, Sumati, very good. Right. Kavita, open the camera, I say. Can you send me the link in WhatsApp, ma'am? Ashwini, I have sent the link personally to you. Okay, ma'am. I'll check it, ma'am. I don't know whether what you will do or not. I want it before time, okay? I won't extend the time. Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am. Open, try again. Refresh your system. Question number second, ma'am. It is not asking for password, ma'am. Very good, very good. You will do all these things, I know. I will be sending the question paper itself in the WhatsApp, okay? Write and send me. Okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Not uploaded. Ma'am, my battery is low, ma'am. Right, ma'am. My battery is low. I have to come and charge your phone. You are saying battery is low, ma'am. Right, fast. Yes. Ma'am, Kavita left the link. Who is helping you there, Vijayashree? Who is that? Yes. Is not listening to the class and she is watching TV. You switch on the TV and keep it, ma'am. She will listen to the class nicely. What is this? I don't know. This and parents are also. Mary, ma'am, I open the camera and write. Switch on your camera first.
Ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, I completed my
Send it to you, ma'am.
Can I send it on your WhatsApp? When I say test, Kavita has left the class itself. I'll mark absent. I don't know what this student are going to do. Can I send it answer sheet in your WhatsApp because I'm not able to send it through Teams, ma'am. I will minus 10 marks for you. Okay, shall I minus 10 marks for that? But ma'am, really, there is a problem, ma'am. For you only, ma'am, doubt, it will happen. Okay, children, I think it's time, ma'am. Take the photo and try to upload that.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye.
Sumati,
Please send to everyone, Sumati. Please
send
tomorrow.
I think if it is offline or online, we have to complete our work. Okay.
Yes. Okay, Sumati.
I will send it to you in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, Sumati. Thank you, Sumati.
Thank you, Sumati. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Really, no words. That was an amazing performance. Thank you so much, teachers. Now, I call upon Mr. Joseph Sir to present a sizzling dance. Thank you, sir, for showing your love towards our children. Now, a group of our energetic teachers are wishing to dedicate you a song on this special event.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले, सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले। पापा नहीं है दानी सी दीदी, दीदी के साथ है सारे, सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले, सारे के सारे गामा को लेकर गाते चले। मीना टीका ఈ కాటు మశోక కుట్టి పోని టైల్ క్యూటా కైల్ మాటి కిటా ఏ రోడ్ మార్నింగ్ వాకా ఇయా ముయ్యా టాకా చుమ్మా ఇంకి పింకి పాంకి పోటు ఓడి కుటా ఏ హే 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 ఏ హే 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 కపట మెరుగని కరుణామయులే, పిల్లలు దేవుడు చల్లని వారే, కళ్ళ కపట మెరుగని కరుణామయులే, తప్పులు మన్నించుటే దేవుని సుగుణం, ఇది గొప్పవాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టి చక్కని జ్ఞానం, తప్పులు మన్నించుటే దేవుని సుగుణం, ఇది గొప్పవాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టి చక్కని జ్ఞానం, పిల్లలు దేవుడు చల్లని వారే, కళ్ళ కపట మెరుగని కరుణామయులే, தாமர போலே சிரிக்கும் தாரகம் போலே திளங்கும், பழகும் தோறும் மதுரிக்கும் ஸ்நேக சுந்தர பால்யம், மதுர மாம்பழ காலம், தாமர போலே சிரிக்கும் தாரகம் போலே திளங்கும், பழகும் தோறும் மதுரிக்கும் ஸ்நேக சுந்தர பால்யம், மதுர மாம்பழ காலம்। कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर एक तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा।
Marvelous. That was really a soothing performance. Thank you, teachers. Now I call upon Pranay Charan of class 10th to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event to all assembled here virtually. On behalf of the students of Navy Children's School, I, Pranay Charan of class 10, would like to thank our beloved headmistress ma'am and teachers for putting up such a wonderful program and for making this day a very memorable and special one. Thank you all once again.
Now I request our beloved headmistress ma'am to say a few words.
Good afternoon, dear teachers, parents, and my dear students. Nehruji had a glorious vision for children and considered that children are the upcoming future creators of the nation. If we be to preserve our future, then it is the duty of all of us to build the future of the children in a better direction. Every day is different and emotional rewards are great. Children teach us that there is no shame in expressions. It's what makes us human. Children make us realize that we need to stop and smell the roses once in a while, otherwise we'll miss out so much. We learn that every child works, thinks and acts in an additional way, and you'll become a better person for it. Let us celebrate to perform our responsibility of making a beautiful society for a better nation. Thank you so much, and I have a very great Children's Day.
Thank you, ma'am, for motivating our children with your wonderful words. Happy Children's Day once again.